Nice. A kind neighbor gifted us this. We're leaving tomorrow. They're all done fishing. Hook this up. And it started raining. Oh, but we ready. See how it holds. Oh, water collecting device. What you doing?
Fixing it
Damn.
so we have less water. So now there's a...
Oh no. Now what are we gonna do? You look like the galaxy.
I'm a galaxy.
Oh, look at it now. It's... Who goes there? Ooh, he got hooked weird. Little baby pike. Thank you for biting. Shown. Get off. Sorry, buddy.
You can see me. I'm going in this little peninsula looking thing, okay?
You okay, little dude? Oh, it's a bigger pike. Woo! Thank you for biting, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Got one. Got a baby one. Thank you for biting. Weeds, weeds, weeds.
Whoa,
What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a fish.
oh shit.
Well, I thought it was a weed.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yay.
Come on, buddy. That's not what the sound is.
It's not jumping.
Okay, just film it. You're close to it.
No, that's as close as I can get.
What?
Oh, there we go.
Here's all the fish.
So we left at, you left at 12:33.
It's 1 o'clock.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Hey, GoPro, start recording. Got one. Both like a bucket in there. Oh, there, perfect. Thanks, pal. So we just checked out this island. It's right by the site. It's up in the neck towards area, towards the bigger section. Checking this out real quick. The campsite's down that way. It's a cool little spot. Can't camp here, obviously. There's signs. It's cool though. Checking out this island. Pretty much done. I'm gonna head back to the kayak and do some more fishing. Oh, the little baby fish are following it. Hey GoPro, start recording. Bass on. Oh, fish on. Another pike. Got one. Oh. Yeah, he just swallowed it pretty deep. Oh. There you go, buddy. There you go. Good job. Thank you for biting. Hey.
I caught one.
All right, pull him out.
Bass?
No, that might be that looks like a baby bass. Yeah, that's a baby bass. Go ahead.
I caught a bass.
He's so cute. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
What a beautiful view. Look at that. We're docking in the marina for a bit. Let's see what's here. We just need a little break.
Yes. Some refreshments.
Finish it here first. Nice little marina here. Get your gas, park your boats, get some ice cream. Ice cream time while we watch our footage of catching fish. Hey. Break time. So good.
Is it?
No, that's a bluegill.
Bluegill.
Good job.
Oh shit, shit, shit. Why would you do that?
It's okay.
Wanna grab it for me?
Yeah, where is he?
Right there.
This is a bluegill. So when you grab this, you have to fold the dorsal fin back because they're spiky. Thank you for biting. You're welcome. Oh, there was a fish right there.
I know, I saw it fly.
Hey GoPro, start recording. Got one. Fish on. Another pike. Jesus. Okay, okay, okay. Relax. Let's get you off. Alright, thank you for biting, little guy. You good?
Tree? This tree right there.
Oh,
This
I see
tree
it.
right
Oh, it's a
here.
gardener snake. What's going on, buds? Oh, he's just an itty bitty gardener.
Oh my god.
He gone. Wait, 30.
Not bad.
Nice.
Yeah, kayak parking.
Mm-hmm. Lots of space.
It's shallow.
This is a nice site.
I remember at 30.
This is site 29. It's like a roundabout. This is site 31, in case you guys want to book it for the future. Compared to the other ones, there are lakefronts. This one's not too bad. There's a little bit of a drop off right here. Just gotta make sure you don't roll your ankles. But it's not too bad. The waterfront looks amazing. It's very wide. Very spacious. The trees are kind of far away if you're going to tie a rope to secure your tarp. But if you're not concerned about any of that, then it's a beautiful site. Fire pit. The launch very nice. It's not deep at all. Whoa, whoa. I like this one. See any bears yet?
No.
Whoa, there's a secret pond over here.
Maybe try to fish it tomorrow.
Yeah, why not? Probably a lot of bluegill here, or nothing. Cool, 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 cool. It's like stairs.
Just be careful.
What a hidden treasure. Just hike up and you find this. That's beautiful. How can you not like that? My goodness, I should have brought my rod.
We can come back tomorrow.
Ooh wee. That's gorgeous. Oh man, how can you not like this? It's like a secret oasis. Beautiful. Where are we at? Go that way or go that way? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which way you want to go?
That goes further.
Yeah. It's the marshland.
This was a fucking great ass idea.
Oh, that's where we came from. Sweet. That wasn't too bad. Made it out right before it got dark.
This was a campsite.
Root stairs. Those roots are always the ones that trips up the girls when they're running away from a bad guy in the movies.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a lake there. Beautiful colors in this trail.
I feel good. This is amazing. Is this how you feel all the time? No wonder you want to be like tipsy all the time.
Gardener snake.
Is that
Yeah.
poisonous?
No. Go on, little buddy. Shall we? Oh, that's either a turd or a turtle. What kind of turtle is it? It's like a red ear slider, yellow ear slider. What's going on, man?
Oh.
He's chasing me. There's a car coming, buddy. What's going on? Oh, calm down. I'm your friend. Okay, don't walk in the road. You're gonna get hit by a car. You know where the water is. It's that way. He's going the wrong way. Should I bring him back to the water?
No.
All right, buds. Go. Go.
That's your home! Are you too good for your home?
Go in your home. Good job. What's going on, buds? We're gonna drift all the way back and we're gonna fish the middle. We have a chance of catching nothing or something really big. Finally got a bass.
You caught one, now I'm gonna throw mine. Maybe we needed worms.
There you go, buds. Thanks for biting. With worm fishing, you kind of just leave it and you wait. Tama. Bluegill. Good job. It's a baby bass.
Yay. Second baby bass?
Yeah.
And release. Thank you.
Thank you. Another bluegill. This feels like a bass or a big ass blue. It's a big ass bluegill.
Good job, baby.
Thank you for biting. There's an abundance of bluegill here. Thank you, old man. Get off the weeds. Get off the weeds. What are you? Feels a little bit bigger. I have no idea. Oh, it's a. It looks like a big bluegill. Thank you, dude. Goodbye, campsite 33.